What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. In today's video, we actually gonna be doing an unboxing and review. But before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, share it with one of your friends. You know what I'm saying? We're just trying to grow on this channel. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to grow, trying to come out with some better content for y'all. So I greatly appreciate it if y'all can share this with your friends. That way we can continue to grow this channel, and I can keep coming out with good content for y'all. But nonetheless, like I said, guys, we are doing an unboxing and a review, and we're gonna be unboxing the new Andis eMERGE clipper. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as y'all can see here, we have the Andis eMERGE cordless clipper. It's basically a detachable clipper. So I know here in 2024, a lot of us don't use detachable clippers anymore, but they sent your boy this clipper, you know what I'm saying? So your boy's been rocking with it. But nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Before we actually talk about this clipper, let's actually unbox it so we can see what comes in the box. So let's look at the box first before we open it. Powerful, versatile cutting. We got detachable blade for maximum flexibility. Lithium ion battery provides 1.5 hours of consistent power. Ergonomic and well balanced, provides minimal vibration. And as you can see, there's the clipper there. And right here, it just tells you it's made in the USA, detachable blade, ceramic edge blade. So the blade that comes in the box is a ceramic blade. It's the 000s. We got long lasting lithium ion battery, 1.5 hours of runtime, and then contoured body, basically like the ergonomics of it. And then as you can see, here is the back. But let's go ahead and open this thing up, right? So like I said, I've already unboxed this and been using it, but I'm gonna unbox this for y'all if I can. God, man, they always make these boxes so difficult to open. There we go. All right, so let's get this out of here. But like I said, I've been using this. We've been rocking with it for about a week now. But check it out. Once we open it up, we take it out of its sleeve. As you can see, we have the box right here. We have the Andis branding right here in the middle of the box. We have Create Your Way on the side. We ain't got nothing on this side, nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. But let's go ahead and open up this. All right, so check it out. As you can see, the clipper does come wrapped up in a little plastic sleeve, but let's go ahead and take that out. As y'all can see here, here is the clipper. Let's go ahead and take it out of here. And like I said, I have been using it, so you may see a couple smudges on it. Your boy has been using it. And as you can see right here, we have the 000 blade. This is the blade that comes with the clipper. As you can see, we got the on and off switch right here, and it has like a smart system, like I forgot what it's called, but basically it won't turn on, right? It's on travel mode. So you click that button, as you can see, it does not turn on. However, if you hold it for a little bit, about 3 seconds, it cuts on. And it's red now because, like I said, your boy's been rocking with it. I've been using it. But when it's fully charged, this does light up white. But let's go ahead and continue looking at the clipper. As you can see, we got the Andis branding down here. We have the Andis branding on the back of the blade, 000s. We have the charging port down here, as y'all can see. And this is basically the clipper. First look of the clipper, as y'all can see. Check that out. But let's go ahead and put this to the side. Let's see what else comes inside of this box. So we move that to the side, and as y'all can see, we get a box inside of the box. So let's put that right there. All right, so you can see we have the Andis branding right here also, but let's go ahead and open this up. So inside of this box, what we have here is, this is the charging cable that comes with it. Obviously, this is the part you plug in to the wall, and this is the part, oh, there it is. And this is the part you plug into the clipper. So you just plug it in like that. Plug the bottom part into the wall and it'll charge up. But let's go ahead and move that to the side for a second. Let's see what else comes in this box. So then we also get this creator card from Andis. Let's put that to the side. We get the user manual that, let's be honest, I never look at. We get an extra cam follower. Okay, see, I didn't even know that they had this in there. So we get this right here. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna put this to the side anyways. As you can see, we do get some oil, and we also get a little cleaning brush. But with that being said, let's go ahead and look at the clipper once again. As y'all can see, turn it on. It does sound quieter than the Andis, what is it called? The Supras, it does sound quieter than the Supras. It is a little lighter than the Supras. And then one thing that they have on here is I'm gonna show you is, so you can't pop the blade off by just pushing it like a normal detachable. Normally you would just push this up and it would pop up, right? What you have to do is there's a button right here. So I don't know if y'all can see that button right here. You actually push this button in and then you pop the blade up like that, right? So that's how you would take the blade off, and then you just put it back in like that. But remember, you can't just take the blade off. You have to push this button in and pop it off like that. And I think that's pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? We'll talk about that more at the end of this video. But once again, guys, here is the Andis eMERGE. Let's go ahead and jump into me using this clipper, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the Andis eMERGE. Here it is once again in case we didn't get too good of a look of it earlier. But as you see, it does come with the 000 blade on the clipper. This is the only blade that actually comes in the box. There's no other blade that comes in the box, just the 000. So if you want to use it for like 4 haircuts, going over the top, setting the guidelines, you're gonna need to purchase another blade with this, right? Now, I've used detachable clippers before, right? I used to actually use them a lot, and I think maybe within the past year or so, I kind of stopped using detachable clippers, but Andis reached out to me and they said, "Hey, Tent, we got a new clipper coming out. We'd like for you to use it and let us know what you think about it." So I said, "All right, man, send it my way." And nonetheless, man, that's basically how I got my hands on this Andis eMERGE, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I wanna be 100% transparent with y'all. Y'all know I always try to be transparent with y'all on my channel. And I forgot how much I like detachable clippers. You know what I'm saying? I forgot how smooth they cut, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not just talking about just this one in particular, but just detachable clippers in general. A lot of them just cut really smooth. Leaves a different overall cut, in my opinion, right? But let's go ahead and talk about this clipper. Like I said, guys, it does only come with one blade. However, I did pull out all my old blades from the closet. So all the blades that I had was the 50s, the 000s, the OA, 1, 1A, 1.5, 2, 3.5, 3 3/4, and 5/8. So I had a lot of blades, right? So I can actually use just this one clipper for the whole haircut. Now, if you don't have all the blades, obviously you won't be able to use this clipper for the whole haircut. So if you ain't got all the blades, you won't be able to, you know, do 4 haircuts with this clipper. You'll just be able to like set in guidelines or bottom out. And the 000 is a pretty good blade to bot out with, to do clipper over comb with, things like that. But other than that, you really can't do too much with just this blade, right? So like I said, I did have all the blades, and you know, like I said, I enjoyed using this clipper. Now this clipper is lighter than the Andis Supras. So me personally, I used to use the Andis Supras before I stopped using detachables, right? And this one is lighter, and the reason why I know it's lighter is a couple of the guys at the shop still use the detachable clippers, and they have the Andis Supras, and this one is lighter. It is a little more ergonomic. It's not as bulky, and I honestly like the way this one performs. It's not as loud, and I don't think it has as much power as the Supras, but it has enough power to get the job done. So I'm going to turn this on. As y'all can hear, it does have a nice hum to it. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man, it actually kind of sounds like an Ostra fast feed, right? It kind of sounds like that clipper. It's not too loud, nice hum to it. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I like using it. Like I said earlier in the video, guys, I like using this clipper. I can do a whole haircut with just my detachable blades, and I enjoyed using it, you know what I'm saying? It's funny because as I was using this clipper, switching switching the blades on and off, I was like, man, like I was sitting one of the barbers at the shop. I'm like, tell me you're an old barber without telling me you're an old barber. And that's me just switching blades, you know, cutting hair, you know, doing what I need to do to get the haircut done with this clipper. It's just the sounds of me doing stuff like that, putting the blades back in the spot, getting a new blade, just reminding me of me barbering like 10 years ago, 12 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Like back when I was using detachables for a lot of my haircuts. Now, one thing that is a little different, I think I said this earlier in the video, is we do have a button back here. That way the blade doesn't just pop off. As you can see, I can't push the blade up. I'm putting a good amount of pressure and the blade doesn't come up. So you have to actually push this button in right here. And as you can see, now the blade comes up, and then you just take the blade off, grab you a different blade, throw it on there, push it on, turn it on, and it's ready to go. I'm gonna be honest, man, I don't think this clipper is for everybody. I know a lot of the younger generation probably won't rock with this clipper, but I feel like if you're an older barber, a seasoned barber in the game, and you're used to detachables, I think you'll like this one, man. Like honestly, I like using it, and I'm gonna keep it on my station. I may not use it for every cut, but I did enjoy, you know, taking that 5 zeros and just balding out with it. It balds out really quick and it doesn't leave any stray hairs. That's the good thing about detachable clippers, guys. When you use detachable blades, they're just really efficient and they get the hair down really quickly, and you don't have to go over it too many times to get it down to that length. So that's one reason why I like using them. And then I remembered how fast I can actually set in a lot of my guidelines with this clipper. So obviously, if you can set in your guidelines quicker, you can fade them out and you still save yourself a little bit of time. So using this clipper did save me about 5 or 10 minutes on each haircut. I just made sure that I took my time with detailing and making sure that the haircut looked right. But as y'all saw in the video, your boy was doing whole haircuts with just these clippers and my detachable blades. But once again, I have every blade, so it was easy for me to transition from the razor all the way up to whatever number they had on top. But nonetheless, guys, me personally, I'm enjoying using the new Andis eMERGE. I like it. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it on my station. I'm gonna keep rocking with it for a little bit. I'm not exactly sure the price of this clipper or when it drops, but I will try to get that information for y'all, and I will try to put that on the screen for y'all. That way y'all do know the price and when it drops, you know what I'm saying? But all in all, man, good tool, especially if you like detachable clippers. Like I said earlier, if you like detachable clippers, you will be a fan of this clipper. And if you don't, obviously you ain't gonna like these, right? But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video of the Andis eMERGE. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.